This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, we will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called TurboVPN. That's a somewhat convenient tool that you can use in order to easily connect yourself to VPN, which you might want to do in order to unlock the region-locked content, for example, or simply to safely browse the web without leaving too much tracking data. So once the TurboVPN app gets installed, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the green continue button, then skip the ad that will follow. And in order to finally start the VPN connection, tap at this caret icon, accept the connection request, and as you can see by this key indicator at the right half of the status bar, we have been successfully connected to proxy or VPN network. From here you can reconnect yourself to another server or even another country if you want to. So I will reconnect myself from Netherlands to London, UK, for instance. And then once you're ready to terminate your VPN connection, tap at this cross sign or icon over here, choose the following disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.